In today's video, we're answering a very practical question. Can we use Chrome AI tools to detect scams? The short answer is yes. Chrome can help you spot risky websites and suspicious behavior, but it works best when you turn on the right protection settings first. So, in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to enable the feature that unlocks Chrome's strongest safety checks, and then how to verify that the browser's backend component is active and fully updated. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three vertical dots to open the main menu. From that menu, select Settings. This is where Chrome keeps all of its security and privacy options. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Privacy and Security. Inside that section, you'll see several options related to how Chrome handles your browsing data and safety features. Now click Security in the center panel. This takes you to Chrome's Safe Browsing controls. Under the Safe Browsing section, you'll see different protection levels. To unlock Chrome's strongest AI-assisted safety checks, select Enhanced Protection. This is the highest security tier, and it allows Chrome to use more advanced live analysis against suspicious websites and dangerous behavior patterns. If you're trying to use Chrome as a scam detection helper, this is the setting you want enabled. After you turn on Enhanced Protection, Chrome may take a moment to update or sync the setting. Once it is active, Chrome can give you stronger warnings about phishing pages, unsafe downloads, deceptive sites, and other scam-like activity. It's not perfect, but it does add a very useful layer of protection when you're browsing unfamiliar links, shopping online, or checking messages that may contain suspicious URLs. Now let's move to the second important step, because if you want Chrome's smart utilities to work as well as possible, you should also verify that the backend model component is active. This helps make sure the browser has the latest on-device support and behavioral pattern updates. To do that, click in the address bar, clear anything that's already there, and type Chrome Components, then press Enter. This opens Chrome's Internal Components page, where you can check and update certain browser modules manually. On this page, scroll through the list until you find Optimization Hints on-device model. This is the component you want to check because it helps support Chrome's smart on-device features. Once you find it, click Check for Update next to it. Chrome will then look for the newest version and download any updated behavioral data it needs. Give it a little time to complete the update. If the update button changes or the component refreshes, that's a good sign that Chrome has pulled in the latest available files. This is especially useful if you want Chrome to stay as current as possible when identifying risky page behavior. And that's really the process. First, you enable Enhanced Protection so Chrome can use its strongest security checks. Then you verify the Optimization Hints on-device model component is up to date, so the browser's smart features are working with the newest data available. Together, those two steps can make Chrome much more helpful when it comes to spotting scams and warning you before you click something dangerous. If you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.